is the radiator. Look, it's all eaten away. Look, look. It's not good. Only this part, I think, should be bigger. Look, it's down there. Yeah, look. See? So what happens is raises temperature, and then this is kind of loose because this is broken. So the water comes out of there, and then it gets empty, and that's why it's leaking and it's overheating. Okay, so to change the radiator, we're gonna remove this bar, which is has a few of these 10mm screws. If you guys wanna do this job faster, get one of these DeWalt ratchet, electric ratchet. I'm gonna put the link on the description so you guys can get it and make your job faster. Okay, and then the radiator, this has 190,000 miles. These cars, they have an issue where when they get old, the plastic starts cracking, so it's always good to use the coolant. Probably sometimes people use water, that's why, you know, they go bad like that. And also it's an old plastic, you know, with heat they start drying and they start losing their property. So we're gonna remove these, remove all the bolts around here, and then we're gonna remove the fans. Okay, we're gonna unplug the fans from the wire. So there's one, two. We might be able to just remove the whole thing out, and then we install the fans on the new radiator, and we put it back on. Make sure you guys drain the water. There's a thing where you can use a peg that is under this. You guys can take this plastic off, and then you guys can drain the radiator. Should be, let's see, around this. You just have to remove it. Okay, so you can actually do it from here. Make sure you don't burn yourself, make sure it's cold. So you're gonna unscrew it from here. It's there, you see it? Yeah.
Bro, if you see how shiny, just clean the chrome of the car.
Yeah? Nice. Okay, so I ended up taking this hose out, this bracket here, and then I'm just gonna take the whole assembly with the fan and everything. Okay. Also, when you guys remove the radiator, don't forget to unplug this line here. It's gonna be where the thermostat goes. Okay.